Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install GTA IV on PC. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Stream, hit enter, and you need to open the first website, that is Steam software. And here you need to search for the GTA. And here you can see GTA IV, click on that. That is a complete edition. And how you can download, so let me search again. Okay, so that is in $4.49. Click on that, and here you can see the option of add to cart. So you simply need to add game into the cart, and here you need to click on purchase for myself, and after that you need to fill out the cart details. Let me remove this one edition and let me download the complete edition, and you need to purchase for yourself, and after that you need to install this game by completing the steps given in the game. So this is the process by which you can download and install GTA IV on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.